Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day 20 of being home and we're making a mug cake. Look at Anushka's excitement. Anyway, so we're making a mug cake and pretty excited about it. So let's begin. Also, hi, if you're new here, please subscribe and join me on YouTube. And let's begin now. We need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is supposed to be powdered, so I'm gonna powder it. And this is the mug we're gonna use. I want to use a better mug, but Anshka said we should use this one. So we need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, but we don't have, so we're gonna substitute drinking chocolate with it. So yeah. It's not in the best condition, but we're gonna make do. Baking powder, so we're gonna be using 1/4 teaspoon. That's not a teaspoon. Oh, I think that's it. So this is our 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I've piecified. So this is our initial mix, and now we just need to add the main ingredient, which is Nutella. And milk. So just making sure this is all smooth because our drinking chocolate was in chunks. Next up, we need to put 1/4 cup of milk. And now we have to add the Nutella, but because it's quarantine time, this was the only thing available at the store in my society. It's by Sundrop, so we're gonna use this. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this. It's a lot of chocolate. Stop. Okay, 1 and 2. So now we're just mixing it so that it's smooth. I think it's ready. The test. Best of luck, baby. Bye bye. So it says to place it exactly in the center for 70 seconds. Jai Mata Di. Got it. We took it out and it was rising and then it fell. So Anushka says it's because it's not done.
It's not done.
So we put it in for like another.
If it's fully baked, then it won't fall down as much as it fell right now because it won't be liquid
Can't see
ना
it.
नीचे से. जब नीचे से liquid होता है तब इतना नीचे गुई
So we just give it the half minute more. Because normally I've seen like for 2 minutes people put. Okay guys, so it's been
Okay, it's almost done. I think.
like a minute.
Just put it in.
And
Wrong knife. And
it's done. It's done. It's clean. Look at our baby mug cake. Give it here. Hello, cutie. It's supposed to be spongy.
स्पंजी तो बनता है.
It's hot. How is it?
पर टेस्टी बनता है. देखने से ही लग रहा है.
And see, Hey guys, so update on the cake. We forgot to put oil in it, but it was so soft and good. So I think you can make it without oil as well, which is just brilliant. Anushka, can you please stop on everything? Thank you. Yeah, so what I was saying is that you can make it out of like without oil, butter and eggs, which is just brilliant. So yeah, but I would say that only not put oil if you're planning to like consume it right then, because it would be very fluffy and perfect. And mug cakes are to be consumed like immediately because they're little in quantity. But yeah, because later it loses a little bit of the fluffiness, like not majorly, very little. Like, just saying that if you don't put oil, it's better if you consume it right then. But if you want to like save it for later as well, put a little oil into it. So guys, I say this was a success. It's delicious. It's so easy to make. So make it, guys. Just takes like 10 minutes and delicious is the word. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you try to make this, send me pictures. And if you have any other easy, quick dessert type ideas for me to try out, let me know. Really enjoyed these days because Corona time. Anyway, just trying to spread a little positivity in this sad times. So yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.